Hey, it's Mike here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video for you and just show some appreciation for you being a subscriber to my list, and I really do appreciate you. What I wanted to do is to share some things with you. I know I've had a lot of people email me wanting to know about websites, how I build my websites, what tools I'm using, and because you're a subscriber to my list, I want to give you a great offer so that you can build your websites. And maybe you don't need a website, but here's the thing with the new technology and the new world we live in now. Everything's so high touch and high tech. If you've got a business of your own and you don't have a website, you're missing out on massive, I'm talking massive amounts of traffic and commissions, money to your pocket. So what I want to do is share some tools with you that you too, I mean, any skill level, it don't matter what skill level you've got, anybody can use these tools and just walk through step by step the video tutorials and this system. It's just a step-by-step system that walks you through exactly how to use it. Here's a good friend of mine that's got a window tinting business, and I've actually set this stuff up for him. Here's just one of 5 different sites that I've set up for him. And there's a lot of things you can do with this blogger builder, but I don't know if you're into blogging, but if you are, then here's a great tool for you to use. Cheap, very, very effective. Some of my sites, this is the same system I'm using. I'm getting tons and tons of traffic. Of course, I've got some higher end systems. If you want something that's already put together, you don't want to have to worry about putting it together, then I've got the system for that as well. But what I want to do is share this tool with you, because this tool here has not only helped me to really build some good websites and get a lot of targeted traffic to those sites, but it's also helped me to turn, actually replace, not turn, but actually replace my full-time job income with an income, a residual income. And what residual means is money that keeps coming in. I've done the work once, and the money keeps coming whether I get out of bed and do anything or not. So if I want to sleep till noon, I can. The money keeps coming. But what it's done, it's allowed me to be able to replace my job income, and now I've got a true home-based business that affords and allows me to be able to do whatever I want to do. So I want to share it with you real quick. Here's, like I said, this is one of the sites I've built. You can see I've added a different background here, a different header. These templates, a lot of these templates come already ready to use. I chose to customize this and give it a different look, make it look different than everybody else's stuff out there. And we've got some other sites of his that we've worked with as well. But there's so many things you can do with it. See, I've added some pictures of some of the jobs he's done. By the way, this guy is an incredible window tinter. He does, houses. He does, buildings, vehicles. Just whatever you want to do, he'll do it for you. But here's some of the stuff he's done. But it's a good-looking site. It's very effective, easy to use, and so cheap. When I first started building websites, I started checking around some of our local businesses and just seeing what they was paying monthly. And every single one of them that I've talked to is paying over $100 a month to have their website, just keep it going, just keep it up and running, the hosting and everything. You got to have website hosting and all that to build it. All of them was over $500 to get somebody just to put it together and build it. And I'll tell you, every one of them looked like a turd. I mean, none of them looked good. They didn't. They wasn't appealing. And when I started asking questions, how much traffic is your site getting? How many phone calls do you get off that site on a daily basis? And every one of them said the same thing. We don't really get anything from our website. My question was, why do you have it? Why are you paying that kind of money to have something that don't even work? Well, we got to have it because, it's just, that's where the world's at now. Nobody picks up a paper and looks for anybody anymore. They go to Google and type something in to find you. So it got me really thinking, and that's when I started, learning a lot more about the websites. And I've got a ton of videos on my some of my websites that shows exactly how to build these sites, what plugins to use, exactly how to make a post and make the post effective so that it will rank in Google, so that your prospects, no matter what niche you're in, no matter what business you've got, your prospects can find you and you'll actually become an authority. So what I want to do is just dive in here real quick and show you the back office. This is my friend's back office. I want to show you it because this is the lower level. My back office I can't show you because it's the upper level, so it's not going to look the same. But here's just some of the stuff you get. You've got all your DNS stuff, your web hosting, and if you're not understanding what all that is, no big deal. I've got other videos that explains it. But you've got to have web hosting. That's the first thing you got to have in order to put a site live on the internet. So there's all kinds of tools here. You got other templates that you can use. And if you want to promote this, you know, to make money, hey, you can do that too. You can make a ton of money with this, just like I have. So here's the blogger builder. You've got an autoresponder. Here's what an autoresponder is. When somebody comes to your site, your website, your blog, or whatever you want to call it, when they come to it and visit it, if you don't have something to capture their information, in other words, if you don't have a spot that they can put their email and their name into, then you're missing out. You've completely missed the concept of what a website's really for. So yeah, it's to show people what you're doing, but you've also got to create a list of prospects, and these are people that you build a relationship with, you become friends with, and eventually you can sell, you know, whatever it is you're selling to them. So the autoresponder, when somebody puts their name and email in, it's going to automatically go right to this autoresponder, and then it'll compile a list. Okay, then you can go send, you can set up messages. Like here for Corey, I've got just one message set up that it goes out. As soon as they opt in, it goes out. And then you've got your subscribers. You got different forms that you can use and put together. You've got a form wizard here. So if you want to, you know, really customize your website, you can use these different forms. You know, some of them are very attractive and look good. So there's all kinds of options there you can do. Just what I'm showing you right here, just the autoresponder alone. I don't care where you look, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse. I've got a GetResponse account too for one of my marketing companies. But no matter what you go to, a minimum of $25 a month just for the autoresponder. All right, so you're getting the autoresponder here. You're getting the blogger builder. You're getting the Easy Video Producer. What Easy Video Producer is, it's a way that you can shoot your own videos, and you can do it like right here. Let me click on Recorder, and I'll just show you how this works. I'm going to click Allow, and you're going to see me pop up. So you can use this service right here, and just this service right here, the video. Because you got it there again, you got to have hosting. So just the video service alone is another 25 bucks minimum. So now we're up to 50 bucks a month for other people's services. Okay, so you can make videos right here from your like I'm on my MacBook Pro, my Apple computer, so I can make videos right here. I can use my iPhone, plug it into my computer, upload them right here. Here's templates. Easy Video Producer also offers you templates that you can use, and my phone's going off. I apologize for that. But you got all these different templates that you can use for different niches. Here's business, and you got tons of different templates you can use for there. You've got real estate. Now these templates are already ready-made, already put together. There's complete tutorial videos in every section of this whole back office that will show you in detail, how to use this stuff, okay? And then I've also got, like I mentioned, videos that I've made that goes beyond what they've put together here inside the back office for you. I've got videos that go more in depth on a training site that's exclusive for my subscribers only. Okay, so here's some more templates. And the reason I'm showing you all this is just to show you the value that you get here, and I'll tell you here in just a minute with the price, and I'm telling you what, it will blow you away how cheap this stuff is. And a lot of people have asked me, they say, well, Mike, why is it so cheap? Well, how can it be any good? Well, it's the best service out there today. Here's how it can be so cheap. They own everything. They're a completely debt-free company. They own everything. They own all their fiber optics. They own everything. All the software is theirs, exclusive. See, other companies have to outsource and get their stuff from other places, which drives the price up. Okay, so that's Easy Video Producer. Just a great tool I use all the time. You've got a GVO conference, so if you want to have your own conference room, let's say you've got a business, and let's say your business is growing very well, and let's say you want to give something away to your list of subscribers, and you want to, or maybe you want to teach them how to use a certain whatever it is you're doing. You can go right here to your conference room and simply start a conference. Send a message out to your list, and you can just go right here to this conference. Let me show you what it looks like. And you can open it up, do your own live conference with your prospects and what have you. It's just incredible service and tool. So you can use this right here. Let's move on down through this. I don't want this video to be too long. As you can see, there's just tons of stuff here. Here's a training center, analyzer for your sites, competition witness. You can actually spy on your competition, see what they're up to. Good marketers, that's what they do. They're always spying on their competition to see what the competition's up to see how you can make your business better. Yes, that's the whole secret to it. Here's a prospecting system that's got templates and stuff already put together for you if you're wanting to promote this service to others. You've got ad copy, which is ads that's already put together that you can promote. Here's banners. There's all kinds of banners here that you can use. So here's what it is. It's $9.97 a month. Yep, I didn't stutter. $9.97 a month, under $10 a month. Are you kidding me? You know, when I first seen this, I thought, no way. But like I said, they own everything. You know, that's the difference right there. This is a multi-million-dollar company. You know, they're debt free, so they own everything. Everything's in house, so it's all their own products, and the best that I've found. Okay, so you've got all this stuff. You know, here's your commissions if you want to, you know, make money with this thing. You could actually be able to check on your commissions and things right here. So that's kind of an eyeball, bird's eye view of the system. Let's go here to the Blogger Builder and show you the main purpose that I wanted to show you this, because if you're building a business or you're thinking about it, you've got to have a website. If you don't have a website, you will fail. It's just plain and simple. You know, I've run a traditional business for over 25 years, collision center. And it wasn't until I started building websites, and that's back when websites were first coming around, and I was so skeptical because I'm old school, you know. I'm an older guy. I'm old school about stuff, and I was always taught, you know, just work hard and, you know, put your ads in the papers and all that. That's just throwing money away. It used to not be, but it is now. So when I started learning some things online and built my own, well, actually I had a person build my first website for my collision center because I didn't know nothing about it. Didn't want to know anything about it. Crappy website, got traffic to it, it helped my business, but it was crap. I mean, it was total crap. So then a few years later I started learning this stuff, and my websites absolutely smoke the ones that I had, that I paid good money to have built. Like I said, here's just one of Corey's sites that I've built for him, and it's just a real simple site, but it's effective. That's the thing. It's so effective. So you can do a number of things with it. Let me show you another one here that we've done. So we've got different sites here that we've built for Corey. You know, actually, I think I might have paused these. Oh, I know what it is. I've got them paused right now because I'm working on them. Okay, my bad. But we've got, you know, the one I've already showed you. That's the main one we're using right now because I'm updating all the others. So, my bad. But anyway, we've got all this stuff. Let's go in here and I'll just show you real quick what you can do with this platform. So it's just step by step. You know, it's going to tell you, okay, here's step 1, click this. Here's step 2, now do this. And like I said, there's videos in every one of these sections. Here's the headers. So you can customize this. You can put different headers on. See, here's one of the headers we've played with. And I've found out that there's just a lot of stuff with headers and with different templates. Some of them don't work. Now, if you really want to trick them out and update, see, here's a header that I'm actually using on my airbrushing site, one of them. So you've got, here's health and sports. You got different headers. You got pets. Here's people, religion. Here's some new headers. Here's one that we're using on one of Corey's sites. Here's one that I've used on one of my lawn care sites. So there's just tons and tons of stuff here that you can use. Or if you're more advanced, or you want to learn some more advanced skills, I've got the videos that I've done on my training site that will walk you through this stuff, and you can do custom backgrounds like this one. You know, maybe you got some of your pictures that you want to use. You can do yachts like this. You can do whatever. The sky's the limit. So you'd simply do that by just hitting browse. You'll go into your computer, wherever you got your favorite pictures saved, and you'll just go in here and get your pictures, and then you can upload them right to the website builder. Okay, so you hit browse, pick the picture, bring you back here, you hit upload, and then it will upload your picture right there. Okay, so that's kind of that. And then you got backgrounds here that you can use. And there again, if you don't like any of the backgrounds that's here, it's no big deal. Just simply hit browse like I did, hit upload, and then you'll have a background like this. You can fix, okay, this template right here, I've got it set so that it scrolls and the background stays positioned. It's called a static site. So this is called static. If I wanted to change this to when I scroll this, the background scrolls with it. All I got to do is one click, hit save, and it does that. I particularly like them like this because the background stays set and the center scrolls. Just personal preference. It just everybody's got different taste and different likes. So here's what I'm going to share with you. This service is $9.97 a month. That's all you need. You do not need anything else outside of this back office. And once you set you up an account here, you'll have a back office. You'll be able to log in and you'll set your own password, your own username. Here's what I recommend for a username. Use your full name. Like mine, Mike Pilcher. So like Corey, we set up Corey. So, and his last name. Now, the reason we do that is because it will help rank this in the search engines, and whether you want to promote it or not, it don't matter. This will rank in the search engine because it's going to tag your last name in that URL, and you'll start getting traffic when you're doing nothing. And sooner or later, you're going to have some signups come in. That's just commissions. Just like Corey. He's had enough that has come in. Now his service is basically free. He don't have anything coming out a month out of his pocket because the commission's more than covered. And if he was to ever promote it, oh my gosh, he could turn it into a pretty good income. So enough of that. Here's what you would see if you click the link. This is what you'll see. You'll have a video here.
There's a new wave of change that's now
that it's going to explain some stuff. You'll be able to see, here's just some of the affiliates. I mean, they got millions of people in this business just because of the products and the services alone. $9.97. It just blows me away how cheap it is. But anyway, you just scroll down through here and you'll see some of the stuff that we've already covered in the video, went over. Here, a lot of it is right here. You'll be able to read about it and see about it. Best service, hands down, that I've ever found. You see, here's the value right here. You know, over $500, well, it's $503, so over $500, and you're getting it for $9.97. So you can actually start a $1 trial today. Just click on the button, get your trial started. I believe it's 7 days. Yeah, 7 days. It says right there. 7 days. You can try it out, see what you think. But I'm telling you what, like I've mentioned, if you're looking to build a website, you don't have one, and you've got a business, you're losing money. See, a lot of people are starting to really see the future. They got some vision. They're starting to see out there that doing what they're currently doing, working a job, is not paying the bills because the cost of living keeps going up. So unless you're getting a raise every year that is at least equal with the cost of living, which is about 7%, actually a little over 7%, then you're going backwards every year. See, some people don't understand that. If you're not getting a raise every year at your job that's at least equal to the cost of living, you're going backwards every year. So a lot of people don't understand. They say, well, I'm making more than I made last year, but I'm still going backwards. Well, they've never learned, because they don't teach this in school. They should, but they don't. They just teach you how to go get a job and be broke. They don't teach you how to really go out and be successful. So it's real simple. Figure out what your raise is. Most raises are about 2%. Some people, if they're lucky, get 4%. But here's the cost of living at 7+%. It don't take a mathematician to figure that out. You go backwards every year. So when you've got something extra going on the side that brings you extra money in, and eventually, if you promote it, it'll grow into an income that will replace your job income like it has for me, and then you can fire your boss. So a lot of people are just seeing the future. They're seeing that they can't make it without something else, and they're getting started in their just doing this in their spare time. You know, when they got extra time, they'll go in and make a blog. You know, that's the other thing. See right here, the blog. Folks, I'm telling you, there's a lot of money in blogging. I've had days that I've created over $3,000 in a single day. That is the true story. $3,000 in a single day. I've had multiple days that I've done that simply by blogging. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to make the blog post and put it together, make it look nice, you know, put some pictures with it. Things that helps it rank in the search engines. Just like these here, they're put together right. Okay? Then I tell others about it, whether it's through social media. It's not by word of mouth. I don't pick up the phone. I don't do none of that. I may click on the link and send it to Facebook. I may click on a link and send it to, just like here, I've added all these buttons, simple to do, and I can send it out to whoever, you know, whether it's Facebook or Twitter, and it all boils down to getting eyeballs on your site. So if I would have known what I know now, when I still had my collision center running, even though the internet wasn't as mature it is now, my business would have been at least triple of what it already was. I had a 6-figure business, but it would have been at least triple. See, I didn't know that stuff. And my website builder, he knew enough to put it together, but that was about it. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I appreciate you taking the time to hang out with me. And if you got any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. But I don't know how long this offer is going to stay up. $9.97 a month, I'm telling you. And if you get locked in now, you're locked in at that price for life. So go ahead and do yourself a favor. Get your account set up. It's $9.97 a month. I mean, come on. Anybody can afford that. And get your site set up. That way your site can start ranking in the search engines. And let me show you that real quick before I cut out of here. Let's just go to Google here. And let's just do a search. Let's just do a search on me. Mike Pilcher. All right, so now here's the thing. When I first started, you couldn't find me online. I didn't exist because I didn't know any of this stuff. And I've put some sites together. Okay, here's me. Well, here's me. So let's click this one. This is my personal website, mikepilcher.com. See, there I am. This is one of the sites. The Blogger Builder that I just showed you, all my sites are built with it. Now, they may look different, some of the templates, it's because I customized them. I done what I showed you how to do. I had different background, different headers, different template maybe. So it's really, the sky's the limit. You can add whatever you want. So go back. We scroll down. See, look at all this. Here I am here. Here's my YouTube channel. Here's my Facebook. Here's another blogging platform. See, this is another blogging platform that I have that is, it's all done for you. Everything is done for you. All the search engine stuff is done for you. Turnkey. All you got to do is log in and start making posts about your business or about whatever you're doing. And a money machine. It's more advanced. It's $25 a month. Okay. Here's my personal blog. Hey, Mike Pilcher coming to you. See, I've customized this. This is the same platform, GVO, but I changed the background, I've changed the header, I've changed the template, just to give it a different look. See, here's the thing. I want to separate myself from everybody else out there. I don't want to be like everybody else. I don't want to do what everybody else does. Because so many opportunities, everybody's promoting the same page, the same stuff, and going nowhere. It's when you separate yourself from the masses is when you'll start really climbing the ladder of success. So just another blog that I've got that I use the same tools that I've been sharing with you how to use. Simple stuff. So here we are here I am. So I've got this first page pretty much covered, so people don't have any trouble finding me. That's what I'm trying to get at. And see, here's another thing, and we're done here, but when people are looking for somebody, what they do now is they go to the search engines, whether it's Google or Yahoo or Bing or whatever your favorite search engine is. That's what people do. They go to the search engine to find people they're looking for, or products or things or answers to questions they've got, that they go to Google or Yahoo or Bing. So why not have yourself positioned so that people can find you or your business or whatever it is you're doing? So just another way of doing it. Here's my other blog. Very simple. Now this is the blog I was telling you about that's $25 a month. This thing is so advanced. Anybody can do it. And you can also do this right from your phone. So I can pick up my iPhone, make a blog post. It'll be live on here just like I did this one in just a matter of minutes. Did this yesterday. Actually last night. But yeah, it's simple. This one's already set up for you. So a lot of people like this one better because it's set up for them. They don't have to do anything. You see the difference? All right, so that's excuse me. That's that. And I just want to share this stuff with you because if you choose the $9.97 blogging platform, or whether you're wanting a more advanced site and you want to make a bunch of money, then you might want to look at this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and give you both options right below the video. Go ahead and click them, check them out. Got any questions, give me a call, email me. I'm here to help you. All right? Hope you're having a great day. Make this year, 2014, your year. All right? God bless you. Bye-bye.